goodness me. These are absolutely done really, really well. And it's okay sticking to a nice healthy diet, but sometimes it's good just to go out and have.
It's officially Fat Friday.
Dun, dun, dun. So we have some dim sum
Dim sum,
and some
king prawns,
king prawns. Officially Fat Friday. Fat beer, wine.
fat wine, fat food. Is this your new favourite restaurant, Barry?
Oh my goodness me. These are absolutely amazing. It's like my favourite comfort food, but done really, really well. So what did you think of the starters, Karen?
That was amazing. That is one of the best ever. We like brilliant. It was really good. This restaurant's near where we live, and we now understand why it's always busy.
It's really busy. We're actually we never booked a table. We're really lucky with it.
Outside.
What do you think?
So I got we're having deep fried beef,
Yep.
egg fried rice, and this is Hong Kong style steamed sea bass.
Fat Fridays just took a whole new turn. Well. This is going to be a quiet Friday night, and that was amazing. Well, that was our first Fat Friday.
And that was really good.
That was really good.
That was a success.
So the purpose of Fat Friday is we
Normally
eat
eat.
quite healthy.
Yeah, well,
You don't get to be this good looking, let's face it, without being healthy.
oh my goodness.
So anyway, we like to treat ourselves, and it's okay sticking to a nice healthy diet, but sometimes it's good just to go out and have something that
Carbs.
yeah, in Karen's case carbs, in my case something that I can't make myself. So this is the first Fat Friday. Tune in for our following Fat Fridays. It'll be a playlist, and it's going to show you some of the restaurants in and around Costa Blanca South.
And we will put a link to the restaurant.
Yeah, we'll put a link to the restaurant, and we'll see if they've got a Facebook page as well.
Yeah.
Probably put a link to them if you're in Costa Blanca South and you want to go out for something to eat. So, on that note, have a great day, night.